Hi everybody, it's Katie Austin.
And I'm Denise Austin.
And we're so excited because we are gonna lead you through a low impact cardio workout
For every age.
and any stage. So, should we get started?
Yes, let's
Yay!
begin. Take a nice deep breath, bring in the oxygen, it equals energy, and release. And let's start lifting the body, warming up the body from head to toe. Low impact is great for our cardiovascular health, feels good for every age. That's it.
I definitely am trying to do more low impact while I'm pregnant, and I feel like my mom, for any after 50, fit over 50 if you're watching, it's great for those joints. So you're getting the heart rate up without extra stress on your body.
That's right, and this is good for our bones too. Okay, crisscross in front now. Reach. Now use your thigh muscles, that's it. They warm up your body quicker. Beautiful. The large muscles of the body, get that heart rate up. Hips, thighs, and buttocks. You got it. 2 more. Reach. Okay, side to side now. Really use your muscles. We have 640 muscles.
Muscles of the body.
That's right.
And if you don't use
them,
it,
you'll
lose
them.
it.
And we need them to keep our metabolism revved up and to feel good. That's it. Get a little lower, use your thighs. That's great. You can do it. 2 more. Last one. Okay, now we work back at the thighs. That's it. Hamstring curls with bicep curl. Great. This is really awesome for the back of the legs. Now use your muscles a little more. The up and down really helps to really burn the calories. That's it. Get that heart rate up. Be strong, be fit. Head to toe fitness. You got it. And breathe. That's it. Keeping that heart rate going. You can do it. 2 more. Last one. Okay, let's just march in place. And we're gonna just do a little walk it out and take it forward. 1, 2, 3, down, back.
This is like my childhood, y'all. Walk it out. Hey.
Yeah. So fun, you can do it.
I love walking workouts. I think we should do more of them. I think we should bring it back, Mom.
Okay, here we go. That's it. Now you could add a little leg kick if you want. Here, good, lead up, good. That's it, great. Really tighten up those abs while you're doing that. Really important for core support, especially while you're pregnant and going through menopause. Pull in the abs, that's it. Great, 2 more. Last one. Good, now we hold it right here. Let's get those knees up. Press, lift, that's it. Make yourself nice and tall. Good posture is the key here. That's it. Strengthen the spine. Your spine is your lifeline. Keep it healthy, keep it strong.
And also, something about these knee drives, if you guys can't get them up as high as my mom, don't worry, just pick up those knees as high as you possibly can. The goal is just to keep moving. If you are super pregnant and don't feel like a full body crunch is in the cards, do not worry.
That's okay. And lift it up, up, and press. Using your arm muscles too really adds. That's it. Great for cardio fitness. Great, keep it moving. That's the whole key. Good. That's it, breathe. You got 2 more. Last set. Okay, now we go side to side. Just hold it right here. That's it. Pull the belly button in. Really tighten up through the abdominals. The core is strong, supporting the abdominals. Come on, you got it. Pull in the abs. Zip it up like a corset. Yes.
Or if you're like me and pregnant, it's okay, just hug that baby, focusing on nice 360 breathing in between any moves that you feel. You don't need to really zip it up per se, just focus on the deep core stability.
Great. Last one. Okay, let's go to the other side. Pull and pull it up. Good. Pull. You got this. For those of you that want to challenge yourself, you can add a little lift if you like. That's it. Using the arms really gets that heart rate up. Something we need for our cardiovascular health.
At any age.
And any stage, like Katie. We got 2 more. Last one. Okay, walk it out. Inhale and exhale. Beautiful. Again, inhale and exhale. And now let's start with our chest presses. Really work the posture here. Inhale, exhale. That's it. All low impact, easy on your joints, but constantly moving for all of our muscles.
Really squeeze those shoulders as you come back, and then working the chest, getting a little bit low as well. Feel your hamstrings start to activate and fire up.
Yes. That's it. We got 2 more of these. And now hold it out there and press it. Little presses, that's it. Little circles. Keep those legs going. Good. Getting that heart rate up. Great for your body. Great for your mind. Great for your attitude. And let's circle the other way. Circle. Go. Good. All the muscles are working. That's it. Great. 2 more. And crisscross in front. There you go. But keep your back strong and straight. Keep it moving. That's it. You can do it. Good posture is so important when you exercise. Good technique and good form. Keep your abdominals strong.
Yes, this is all about neutral alignment.
Yes.
No matter if you're going through menopause
Yes,
or you're
me.
pregnant, neutral alignment is so important to low back, your entire bodily functions. So we want to make sure we're working on that in every exercise.
2 more. Last one. Okay, shake it out. Now we're gonna do a tricep toner with the heel behind. Touch it back and back. Stay low. That's it. This is all low impact. Easier on the body, easier on your back, easier on your knees. Great. But notice we haven't stopped, which is so important for cardio health. That's it. Good, just tap it behind. Keep it moving. Elbows up. Can you feel it in the back of your arms?
Yes, you
Good.
definitely can.
Yay,
Those
Katie.
elbows are on a hinge, so you're squeezing the back of your arms. As you come back, you're staying a little bit low.
Yes. The lower you go, the more you actually working those muscles for the lower half. To make it your better half. Good, we got 2 more. Last one. Okay, hold it right here. And we're gonna do some pull downs. Here we go, singles and lift, and single and lift. Your back is strong and straight. Think tall, think good posture. It's the key to feeling good every day. Wake up happy, wake up strong. That's what we're doing together. Great. Last one, now double it up and pull, up and pull. You got it, and pull. Great, really feel it. Focus on those muscles. You got them, use them. Yes, they're beautiful. Muscles are really awesome. That's it, being strong.
Muscles are awesome.
Yes, muscles real work for your metabolism too. It's important to be strong for bone health, for all of us women, to carry a baby anytime, any stage in life. Good, last one. Okay, now press it forward. Press it forward. Notice again, our back is strong and straight. And really push. Great. Pull the abdominals in. Hug that baby. Woo! Good support. That's important. And breathe. That's great.
And have fun with it. A lot of these moves take a little coordination, but just have fun with it. Keep moving, that's all that counts.
That's our goal here for you. This workout is for you. Feel as though we're your personal trainers coming right to your home for you. That's right. At every age and every stage in life. That's it. 2 more. Last one. Okay, take a deep breath. Inhale. Oh, beautiful. And exhale. That's it. Again, and inhale. And exhale. Now I want to see those muscles. As you inhale, come down and show the muscles. Beautiful. One more. Inhale. And show me those beautiful muscles. Yes. That's it. And swinging up. And lift. Swing. That's it. Feeling good. That's great. Lift up on your tippy toes. Straight with the calves. That's it. 2 more. Last one. And relax and go side to side, cooling down, bringing that heart rate back down. So it's nice, controlled here, using through the abdominals, the oblique muscles. You got it. And reaching out. We have 2 more. And last one. And stretch all the way up. And let's stretch to the side. That's it. Inhale. And to the other side. Exhale. One more inhale. And exhale. That's it. And take a deep cleansing breath together. Inhale all the way up and exhale out. Oh, you did it. Yay!
Nice
Woo!
work. Wow. Cardio for any age and any stage, which is wonderful because it's great for getting your heart rate up and getting the stamina levels up at any age because your heart is so important no matter where you are in life. So thank you so much for joining my mom and I for this fun aerobic cardio workout. Hopefully some of these moves took you back to a little bit of the 80s nostalgia. Retro style. Feel free to
When I was pregnant with you.
With me, exactly. So
Full
thank you.
circle moment.
It sure is. So thank you guys so much for joining us and we'll see you next time.